Hi folks, this is all the fruit. I'm at the Palmetto of Santa Cruz in Tenerife, and here we have some breadfruit. Actually we have two different breadfruit trees, which is quite amazing because I don't remember ever having seen one like this. I decided to make a video in which I'll combine both of them. Maybe tell me if this breadfruit with the strange shaped leaves something different. So I think they are both breadfruit, Artocarpus altilis. Breadfruit actually seems to grow quite well in the Canary Islands, but I've never seen it on a market, and I also very rarely have seen any trees. Look, fruit of a decent size. This is one of the seedless varieties, which are called male varieties in some countries because they have no seeds. Very good. This is actually a very tasty breadfruit variety. Normally when they are really ripe and edible, they taste like a boring avocado with too many fibers in the flesh. This one is much better. This might well be the best breadfruit I've ever eaten. It's incredibly sweet. Not too many fibers. The fibers are almost no problem in this one. This is like eating some sweet pudding. Folks, this is a discovery. All the breadfruit I've ever tried, they were never so sweet, but this one is a big sweet fruit. A big sweet soft fruit. You can actually eat pretty much every breadfruit out of hand when it's really ripe. But this is the first one which is really nice. Wow. Well folks, this is a discovery. This is a great discovery. I cannot say that I'm a breadfruit specialist. I've eaten it out of hand only a couple times, but this is incredibly tasty. This is much tastier than any breadfruit I've ever eaten, raw or processed. Now I'm really curious. The other breadfruit tree, just much more normal looking leaves. Look at them. This is what I'm used to. The fruit are about the same size. Well, on the grounds they are just a few really small fruit. So I guess they might not be perfectly well developed. Oh no, this one is really hard to break. I don't think this is very well developed. What about this one? Same thing. I'm kneading it and I'm squishing it and nothing is happening. Well, pity. This one must have been quite good before it broke. What about this here? Nope, this one is too hard. Maybe over there. This one looks good. Nope, too hard. Well, what about this one? Already looks too rotten, but no, actually in this one, part of the inside is still okay. Also nice and sweet. Different, with a little tipsy tinge to it. Maybe it's already starting to ferment. But folks, this is also quite good. I don't know, I still like the other one better, but this must be the second best breadfruit I've ever tasted. Oh, look at this. This is nice and soft. Quite yellow inside. No. This one might have fallen from the tree. Not completely ripe. This tastes more or less like normal ripe breadfruit. Here is still the piece I picked from the first tree. I would say this one is maybe the second best breadfruit I've ever tried. But the first is unbeatable. It's like treacle or pudding or... It's wonderful. A bit of sourness, a bit of some flavor. There's some chewy bits inside, see? It's like some pudding dough where you haven't beat up the last clumps of flour or of mixture. And it's really sweet. Okay, folks, so the second tree definitely seems to be a very tasty breadfruit, but the first tree, the one with the strange leaves, by far the best breadfruit I've ever eaten. Maybe tell me, not this one, but the one with the strange leaves. What is it? Is it some named variety or even a different species? Okay, folks, so stay tuned for more fruit videos from the parks and gardens of Tenerife. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.